In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become an Amazon product reviewer. First things first, let's head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, take a moment to sign in to your existing account. Or, if you don't have one yet, you'll need to create a new account. This is super straightforward. Just follow the prompts to either sign in securely with your details or set up a new account by clicking on Create an Account. After you're logged in, you'll need to enter your email address and then click Continue to verify your login. Next, input your password, which will securely identify you, so you can access all the resources Amazon offers. This is essential because to become a product reviewer, you need to be logged into an account that you actively use for purchases. Now that you're logged in, let's dive into how you can start your journey as an Amazon product tester. The key is to build up a strong Amazon reviewer profile. This means writing consistently detailed, honest, and helpful reviews for the products you buy. Engaging with the community by answering questions and giving feedback contributes significantly to how your profile is perceived. Over time, a robust profile with insightful reviews significantly boosts your chances of being recognized. Writing reviews isn't just about volume. The quality and helpfulness of your reviews are tracked by Amazon, so focus on providing value in each review you pen. If you have expertise in specific product categories, like electronics or maybe fashion, this can really work to your advantage. Tailoring your reviews to reflect your knowledge in these areas enhances your profile authenticity and relevance. Increasing your reviewer rank is pivotal, and the higher your rank, the more likely Amazon is to consider you for exclusive testing programs. Remember that building an impressive reviewer profile is a gradual process, so patience and consistency are vital. Don't be discouraged if progress seems slow at first. Every helpful review and piece of insight moves you one step closer. One exciting aspect of reaching the upper echelons of being an Amazon reviewer is eligibility for the Amazon Vine program. This invitation-only initiative caters to top reviewers by offering free products to test in return for reviews. The opportunity is an excellent way to receive products that align with your interests and areas of expertise, all while contributing to the community. So there you have it. With dedication and attention to detail, you could soon find yourself part of this dynamic ecosystem of reviewers. Keep writing those helpful reviews, and who knows, you might just become a top Amazon reviewer in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy reviewing!